Hey, what is up guys? My name is Marian, your technology friend, and today I literally just got back from the store to show you guys an unboxing of this new 13-inch MacBook Air M1 version, and this is going to be the base model that has 8GB of RAM and 256GB SSD. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this new laptop. By the way, for some context, this is my current laptop right now. This is a MacBook Pro Retina 2015, and it's been really slow, and I am really due for an update, which this new M1 MacBook Air, I think is gonna be plenty enough because the new M1 chip is gonna be revolutionary. So let's start unboxing. This is only gonna be a one-time thing for me, so I really want to get this on video, and it's gonna be extraordinary because it's not every day you get a new laptop. It's been 5 years for me, and I've really been waiting for this for about a year now. Alright, so let's start unboxing. Alright, so here in the front of the box, you see the side view of the MacBook Air. This has been the design of the box for a long time now, and I think Apple really is due for an update as well on the box because it is getting really boring. As you can see, this is the Apple logo at the side of the box here. It is on space gray because this is a space gray laptop. MacBook Air on this side. By the way, this MacBook Air I got from Mobilizer. That's actually where I get a lot of my gadgets, because here in Pampanga, that is the online store that has a physical store where I can come in and buy the gadget itself. So I go to Mobilizer, shouts to them. Their price are really competitive, so I suggest buying from them if they have a store nearby. Yep, so in this side, we have the Apple logo in space gray as well. We have the writings of the online store, probably for storage and inventory reasons to make it easy. And then we have another MacBook Air here. And at the back, we have all the nitty-gritty stuff. I don't have a table, so I'm gonna have to unbox this while holding it upright right here. Hope you guys can see everything right here. All right, here's the front. All right, let's do this one. So they have a pull tab in here, and you just have to pull this right there. Ooh, okay. It's only one time. Okay, get a one-time shot. All right, so that's there. So I just keep pulling. Okay. So the plastic is ruined. Okay, whatever. Plastic's ruined. There you go. Alright. It's bare naked. Alright, so how am I gonna do this without, breaking it? Come on, that slow wiggle. Okay, I'm gonna use my knees to catch it. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Whew! I almost freaking dropped it. Okay. Okay. Here is the laptop itself. This is gonna be my first space gray laptop. Currently I have a silver one, and I'm gonna go like a black iPhone, black laptop, hopefully by Series 7, black Apple Watch, and a black iPad if I ever update. Pull this up. Oh wow, okay. That is pretty light, not as light as I'm used to because I primarily use a iPad right now. Alright, let's put this on the side for now. Here in the bed, just sit tight right there. You can snooze a little bit. Alright, here in the box, we see you get there's a USB-C to USB-C cable. I already have one of these, so I'm not gonna unbox this. I'd rather keep it pristine. And here, pamphlet. Alright, so the charger that it comes with is gonna be this type of charger. Because online stores, their stocks are from Hong Kong, and this is the Hong Kong standard. This is a USB-C power adapter, 30 watts. So I'm not gonna be using this one since I already have a 30-watt charger that I use for my iPad. So that's there. All right, in the pamphlet, what do we have here? These are gonna be pretty usual. I know you've probably seen so many unboxing videos already. I mean, I know I did. So you get MacBook Air right there. I think this is like a quick start guide. You also get another one that is in Chinese, and then some other paper here. And finally, we have some space gray Apple stickers. Let's see if I use some of these. I never use the Apple stickers on my Apple products. I mean, that's gonna be too much advertisement for me for Apple. I know I love them, but and now it's time for the star of the show. Oh wow, it is so okay. I never had a MacBook Air before. I always had this MacBook Pro 2015, and it's all like the same thickness all throughout. And having this MacBook Air on hand and feeling this side right here, the tapered edge, oh, that feels amazing. I love holding this. It's so, okay, it is really, really light. Okay, how do we start this? Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna shut up now. Ooh. It kind of smells like bulalo. Am I? Did the online store eat bulalo when I bought this? Okay, anyway, so let's get the MacBook Air out of this plastic right here. I'm really not used to these unboxings. Like a lot of the YouTubers, they just go fast with these unboxings because they do it all the time. But for, for us regular folks, or for us who just is starting off, we don't get to do this all the time. Wow, this is gonna be the cleanest that this MacBook Air will ever be. I don't use cases. I might get a skin, but wow, this is really, really nice. There you go. And then the side view right there. And here you get a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it tapers off on the side. It's really thin here. It's really small as well, really compact. There you go, and this side right here. And finally here. Okay, on this side you have two USB-C ports that support Thunderbolt and USB 4. And in here you have the pretty usual. Oh, you know what? This is new, something new here, because this laptop doesn't actually have a fan. So I'm curious if there's any opening from where the fan is before. Okay, let's try to open it up and then let's see the back of it right here. Okay, I'm gonna do this with you guys. It's back. The chime is back. How do I remove this paper? Oh yeah, that's really nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so here we have the Magic Keyboard. And how does it type like? It is a little bit more stable compared to, okay, let me bring out my MacBook Pro here. So I have it right here. Yeah, like this is super soft and it's not stable. This one is a lot more stable and it's more satisfying to click in. All right, so that is the unboxing of the new MacBook Air. Wow, this is a big trackpad. Like I promised you guys, we want to take a look at how the fan is gonna look like. I'm not sure if there's like an indent in here. I don't think there is. Yeah, because this is a fanless laptop, it doesn't have any holes. So here you go. The keyboard is a little bit new. What's new in this keyboard is that it has this new emoji button. Well, you press this to go to the emoji. You also have these new shortcut commands. Right here you have the, I think, spotlight, dictation, and do not disturb. You don't have the keyboard brightness anymore. That's gonna be in software, but that's it. So there you go guys, this is the unboxing of the new MacBook Air M1. Hopefully I'm the first one to unbox it and show it to you guys on video here in the Philippines. And again, if you want to buy one, you can buy one at Mobilizer. That's where I get my digital goods. And that's it. I'm gonna go play around. So there you go guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed this content. Go follow me on Twitter. That's where I post in real time my thoughts about consumer technology news and all that good stuff. So there you go guys. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.